we're going to show you clips of a 3-month experience in Olhao, which is a small coastal town in Algarve, Portugal. When you visit Olhao's waterfront, you will surely pass the Bom Sucesso fishing boat, which is famous for a group of Olhaneses traveling to Brazil in order to tell the exiled Dom João IV that the French had been defeated and it was safe for him to return to Portugal. This all happened in 1808.
Something that you can't miss is the Olhao market. It's also on the waterfront, where you will find a variety of fresh local fish, fruits and veggies. Also on Saturday mornings, you will find the local farmers setting up their stands and selling their products.
You will also find that Olhao is a very safe place to be. When you walk around the old quarter, you will see that Olhao has a Moorish feel about it, with small fishermen houses and flat terraced roofs. You can easily get lost in the narrow cobblestone alleys and discover new things.
Another way to enjoy what Olhao has to offer is to take a ferry and discover the two islands' amazing sandy beaches, Culatra and Armona. These sandbank islands provide some of the most peaceful beaches in the Algarve. Both islands belong to the Rio Formosa National Park, which is an amazing protected ecosystem and Portugal's 7 natural wonders. You will see a variety of birds, sand dunes, lagoons, and salt pans.
This peaceful seaside town is very close to so many other points of interest, such as the capital of Algarve, Faro. It will take 10 to 15 minutes drive. You can visit the old town with its Arco da Vila gate and ancient Moorish walls. A variety of bars and restaurants, and even Faro Airport is only a 20-minute drive from Olhao. In general, we really enjoyed our stay in Olhao. Even though there were not many places open due to the pandemic, we enjoyed the natural beauty that Olhao and its surroundings has to offer.